Hi, in this video I will show you how to find downloaded files in the Telegram on your phone. So the process is pretty simple. If you have downloaded files from the Telegram and now you want to see where it is path or located, so follow this procedure. So first of all, you have to search for the file manager on your phone, and you have to click on the internal storage by scrolling up. Once you will in your internal storage, scroll up and you have to search the folder with the Telegram. So here is the folder of Telegram. Simply you have to tap on it. Here you will see Telegram audio, Telegram documents, Telegram images, Telegram video. So in the Telegram audio you will find all the audios, and in the Telegram documents you will find the documents or the large files, and in the Telegram images you will see the downloaded images from the Telegram, and in the Telegram video you will find the videos downloaded from the Telegram. So if you want to see where is your Telegram files located, you can simply follow this procedure. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.